Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut tutorial tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to adjust your audio wave file size in your video clip in your timeline in CapCut video editing software. Just like what you see, this particular clip right here, the audio wave is not fully. I want to improve the audio wave. So first thing first, we can go ahead and we'll make sure we select on the clip right here. Then after select on the clip, I can decide to zoom the timeline so you can see the audio wave here is not much visible. And for you to make our audio wave more visible, go ahead and come to the timeline track side right here, right click on it, and then go ahead and click on audio wave size. Then you can make it 60%. Now you have the audio wave more increasing right here. Or better still, you can use this arrow. You can use this options right here where you turn your mouse to something like this upper arrow and lower arrow. Then this will make you to drag as much as possible how you want your audio to be. Then you can come here, click on this three dot again, and then go ahead and click on 100%. This will give you a full audio wave of that particular video clip timeline. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.